Well, the third misconception is thinking that probate court isn't going to cost that much. You see, here in Ohio, there is a statutory fee that the fiduciary is entitled to. The first $100,000 worth of assets, it's 4%. For the next 100, but less than 400,000, you're entitled to 3%. And then everything over 400,000, the fiduciary is entitled to 2%. This fiduciary would be the administrator of the estate or the executor of the estate. And they're legally entitled to the fee of 4% for the first 100,000, 3% for the next 100,000, but less than 400,000, and 2% for everything over 400,000. In addition, they're entitled to 1% of all real estate that is not sold, and then 1% of all property not subject to administration. When we were talking about those non-probate assets, they're entitled to 1% of the value of the asset that does not go through the probate court. So if we do some simple math here and we take an estate that's worth 250,000, 100,000, the first 100,000, they're entitled to 4% of that, which is $4,000. The next 150,000, they will be entitled to 3% of that, which is $4,500, I should say. So the fiduciary fee in and of itself is $8,500. In addition, the attorney administering the estate is entitled to $8,500, the same fiduciary fee. So just the administrative fee and the attorney's fee on an estate worth $250,000 is approximately $17,000. And so a lot of people think probate isn't going to cost that much when in fact it does. You see, we're looking at almost $18,000 for a $250,000 estate, which may be a house, car, and a little bit of money in a bank account, not to mention debt.